Here's one of our tenders coming. That's a big tender.
Yeah.
With a great stirrup K for Norwegian. It's so windy there. Thrusters here are going a mile a minute, trying to keep us in place. It is 20-mile-an-hour winds plus out there. Tender coming in. Gonna pick up more people. Brought back a few. We're aboard the NCL Escape. We're at Great Stirrup Cay, their little private island. Interesting, that almost looks like a hurricane. Take a look, hon. Pretty unique. The thrusters are having to keep us in place. It's 25-mile-an-hour winds. But beautiful views out there. And yeah, no hurricanes today.